as a example, I think about when I started with the company, we still did a tremendous amount of manufacturing in the Milwaukee location, and it was intensely manual, and it was building those products that went into a box and were sold off our distributor shelves. We still have a great distributor chain, but the way that we're manufacturing those products has changed quite a bit. In the line that we just reintroduced to Milwaukee after many years, you can see the role of software is much greater, and configurability, and partners with the robotics and some of the other partners, the software partners that we have represented there. So you can really see that as a manifestation of the way that Rockwell's changed. And going forward, software will continue to be a larger part of the differentiation, but not all by itself. Again, we have home field advantage, if you will, by creating the products where a lot of that data is born, and understanding the applications in our target industries really well. And so I think those are going to be the types of things that are going to guide us as we transform internally. We have a dedicated digital transformation effort that engages all parts of the organization, and that's really important. I mean, a big part of what I'm spending time on now is to create a set of integrated objectives that touch every part of the organization so that we can put the infrastructure in place to be able to manage more of a subscription and as a service business model, and to make sure that all of my leaders recognize why we're doing this, what good looks like, and to be able to measure that on a more frequent basis. I think just as software development has moved, or is mostly moved, to agile techniques, we can't just say, look, we're going to fund this digital transformation and hopefully 2 years from now, something good is going to be evident. You have to look at it on a much more frequent basis so that we, first of all, get the confidence that we're going in the right direction, that we can course correct when we have to, but to give people the evidence of movement that customers can actually feel because they're ready for it now. And so I think it's a more agile approach, it's integrated, and in some cases it requires new skills that we might not have already had. And so bringing that in either as employees or as partners is really important for this as well.